Today we'll talk about how can you shop for short upgrades on your Plato app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Plato app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click, sorry, we will go back, click in this sign here. When you just click in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on short upgrades here. Then come to this list. Then you click here on shop for short upgrades. Then here you select here short upgrades here. Just click on this for example. Click here on pay. Then here you select price, then and coins. So then you just switch into open with you here, and here add your credit or debit card, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking